Welcome to the English Mission. Today we are in a farm because we are going to learn about the farm animals. But there was a power outage. I just heard different animals. Please help me to discover them. Let's go! We are going to use our flashlight. Listen, what is this animal? It's a pig. Pig. Now listen. What is this animal? It's a cow. Cow. What is this cute animal? It's a cat. Cat. Listen. What is this? It's a duck. Duck. What is this? It's a horse. Horse. Listen. It's a goat. Goat. What is this animal? It's a donkey. Donkey. Listen. It is a hen. Hen. What is this animal? It's a dog. Dog. Listen. It is a sheep. Sheep. Now, what is this animal? It is jumping. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Now your English mission is creating a mask and presenting your farm animal. Bye bye my kids. See you later. Si te gustó este video, regálanos un like y suscríbete a nuestro canal para activar la campanita de notificaciones.